Today we are going to learn about the liver. The liver is actually pretty amazing. It's the only organ in our body that can actually regenerate new cells to replace the damaged ones. Isn't that awesome? The liver is like your body's detox house. It's the first stop after blood leaves your intestines. So blood travels through the liver for a few different functions. First, there are the hepatocyte cells that package up specific nutrients and send them out to the rest of the body where they're needed. The hepatocyte cells also remove toxins from the blood, and then they excrete them from your body. That's right, the liver itself is detoxifying your blood. The liver is your detoxifier. Then there are other cells in the liver called the macrophages, and these remove stuff from our blood as well before it goes out into the rest of the body. The macrophages remove dead cells and cell debris and any other invaders that might be harmful to other parts of your body. So the liver is crucial for clean blood. Because of this, we have to make sure to keep our liver as clean and healthy as possible. And how do we do that? $500 detox plans, drinking only juice for 5 days? No, no, and no. As you can see, the liver itself is a detoxifier. The liver knows how to get rid of toxins already. These expensive detoxes that have very limited, if any, scientific proof that they actually do anything beneficial for your liver. Now, someone may tell you that they felt mental clarity or less pain in their joints or muscles or something, but of course, if you give your body more health foods, nutrients, and minerals more than it's used to getting, you're going to feel better. That's why all of us nutrition coaches and nutritionists and dietitians preach whole foods and limited processed foods, because it's just better for you. But that doesn't mean it's doing anything specific for your liver. There are ways you can help your liver stay healthy and prevent damage that doesn't involve spending hundreds of dollars on detox packages, though. The first is to avoid alcohol. Drinking excessive amounts of alcohol can cause permanent damage to your liver that it just can't recover from. Drinking too much alcohol can cause inflammation in your liver, and unfortunately that can cause alcoholic hepatitis. Over time, heavy drinking can lead to permanent scarring of the liver as well. That's called cirrhosis, which can lead to liver failure and liver cancer. Again, the liver is able to regenerate and repair damage, but not at this severity. So those damages are permanent and they are going to require serious medical treatment. Other ways to keep your liver healthy include the top 2 recommendations from all health professionals: exercise and diet. That's right, yet again, regular exercise is the recommendation for healthy liver function. Why? Well, exercise can help you protect your liver from potential damage that may occur. So when you're exercising, you are burning calories, and that reduces your risk of developing diseases like type 2 diabetes, obesity, hypertension or high blood pressure, and high blood fats. And these diseases can lead to liver inflammation and liver scarring, and that can ultimately lead to liver cirrhosis. And like I just mentioned, cirrhosis leads to liver failure and liver cancer. And of course, the other one, healthy eating. Isn't healthy eating always the answer? Yes, I know it feels like a cop-out, but it's true. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, limited processed foods, increase the healthy fats, decrease the dangerous fats that clog your arteries. That's just what it comes down to. Everything that you eat and drink, everything that you put into your body is absorbed into your blood and then enters to your liver. So keep that in mind when you consider going to the drive-thru at McDonald's this week. No, I'm just kidding. But other than that, the obvious benefits of whole, nutrient-rich foods and balanced diets, it also keeps your liver functioning properly, and it prevents liver failure and liver cancer. Now, there are a few other less obvious foods that are extremely good for your liver for various reasons. One of them is coffee. Research has shown that coffee prevents buildup of fat and collagen, 2 of the main markers of cirrhosis or liver disease. So coffee also decreases inflammation in the liver and prevents the development of cirrhosis. Isn't that pretty cool? You could drink coffee and be benefiting your liver. Another group of foods that are great for your liver are fruits that are high in antioxidants. Fruits like grapefruit, blueberries, and cranberries are great for a healthy liver. The antioxidants in these fruits protect the liver from developing lesions and fibrosis and other scar tissue that can build up and cause permanent damage to your liver. Finally, beetroot juice, and grapes contain nutrients that will help reduce liver inflammation and prevent the development of liver disease. So adding these to your diet, in addition to continuing to eat balanced meals with whole foods and at least 3 servings of veggies per day, that will all help keep your liver functioning as it should and prevent any potential development of liver damage. So skip the detoxes and support your liver as it does its job to clean your blood and keep you healthy. If you have any questions or concerns about your liver function, please make sure to consult with your doctor. But that is all I have for you about the liver today. I hope you found it helpful. Comment below, let me know what you think. Be well, everybody, and I will see you next time.